Today, I'm going over the MEGAPRO Tamperproof Driver. This is one of the tools that I use every day as an electronics technician. It's got a variety of bits, including your hex bit, your star bit, your Torx, I should say. And these do have the space in the middle. Dealing with tamper-proof fasteners, you won't be able to get it without this. It's a sturdy tool. It is plastic, but I've dropped it from some pretty respectable heights, and it's held up for the last 3 years. I couldn't do my job without it, to be honest. Like and follow.